You're 73, with years of discipline and savings in a retirement account. The IRS reminds you, it's time to start withdrawing. Miss that deadline by one day? That's a 25% penalty on the amount you should have taken. This isn't on your earnings, but on the withdrawal itself. 25%. Forget to take $10,000. $2,500 gone, just like that. Most people don't know this penalty exists until it's too late. Did you know about it? Smash that like button if this blew your mind. Let's prevent others from being blindsided. Most miss this because nobody warns them. Your advisor might mention it, your banker likely won't. You're focused on retirement, not IRS rules. The IRS counts on that. The government needs tax revenue. The rule is simple. Reach this age, take the withdrawal, follow the timeline. Miss it? They charge you. It's straightforward, but brutal. The average person has zero RMD knowledge. Over 250,000 people miss deadlines annually. That's 250,000 people, a pattern costing millions in unexpected penalties. It gets worse. Many think they have until April 1st of next year for their first RMD.
If you take your first RMD in April, you also need a second by December of that same year.
2 distributions in 1 year mean higher taxable income, tax bracket, Medicare premiums, and Social Security taxation. You doubled your tax burden unknowingly. I've seen this destroy retirement plans. People jump tax brackets. Social Security becomes taxable, paying more in taxes than saved by waiting. If this makes sense, subscribe. Next week, I'll show you how to time RMDs to minimize taxes. Don't miss it. 95% watch without subscribing. Don't be that person. Let's use real numbers. A $400,000 traditional IRA, you turn 73. Your RMD is $15,000. You forget, the deadline passes, and you remember in February. The penalty, $15,000 times 25% equals $3,750. Gone. That's just the penalty. You still owe income tax on the $15,000 you eventually withdraw. That $15,000 withdrawal could cost another $4,000 to $6,000 in taxes, depending on your bracket. Your $15,000 withdrawal just cost over $7,000 in taxes and penalties, nearly 50% evaporating. The kicker, the IRS doesn't come after you immediately. There's no statute of limitations on RMD penalties. No statute of limitations. The IRS can come after you 10 or 20 years from now. It doesn't matter. Panic mode off. If you caught your mistake, take the missed RMD immediately, today if possible. File IRS Form 5329 with your next tax return. Include a letter explaining why you missed it. I forgot won't work. I was hospitalized, or my account custodian didn't notify me might. The magic part, correct the mistake within a specific window, and the penalty drops from 25 to 10%. That example, her penalty went from $3,750 down to $1,500 just by acting fast. Everything I covered, steps, forms, and explanations that work with the IRS, is in a detailed article. Link in the description. Read it, bookmark it. It's free, and you need this information if something goes wrong. Here's what people do wrong. Mistake 1, taking a partial RMD and thinking it counts. It doesn't. The entire minimum must be withdrawn, or you're penalized on what's missing. Mistake 2, trying to combine multiple IRAs. Some accounts allow aggregation, some don't. Get this wrong, and you face multiple separate penalties. Mistake 3, waiting until December 31st. Bank delays, transfers stall, the year ends, deadline missed. Instead, take it by December 15th. Give yourself a buffer. Mistake 4, not keeping records. When the IRS questions them, they have no proof. Keep your statements, receipts, everything. These small mistakes can cost thousands in preventable penalties. If you're over 73, check your RMD status today. Not tomorrow, today. Look at your account, calculate what you owe. Set a reminder for December 15th, not 31st. Give yourself a buffer. Missed the deadline? Don't panic. File Form 5329. Correct it. The IRS is reasonable when you're proactive. Come back in a week and comment. Did this change your RMD thinking? Did you discover you've been doing something wrong? I read every comment and want to know you're taking action. If you know someone over 73 unaware of RMD rules, send them this video. Save them from a 25% penalty. The RMD penalty is real, brutal, but avoidable. Know your deadline. Withdraw on time. Keep records. 3 steps, 100% prevention. Visit michaelryanmoney.com for the full breakdown on RMD rules, forms, everything. Sign up for the newsletter for one powerful retirement planning tip weekly. The IRS counts on people missing deadlines. Don't be that person. Thanks for watching. Protect your retirement.